Alright guys, so we are at the Super Sunday tour of homes. The way we are doing it, unlike the traditional way of getting your home sold, the traditional real estate agent way is that putting a for sale sign and passively waiting for the buyers to come in. Here in our company, in our team, we already have over 35,000 buyers in our database. So what we do every day, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, we actually call each one of the buyers that we have in our database. We meet with them each one by one on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, getting each one pre-approved, pre-qualified. And then when we host our tour of homes, we only bring in, just like today, or literally over 100 cash buyers in less than 45 minutes. We only bring in buyers that already been pre-approved, pre-qualified, ready to go in such a short period of time. So the owner, it saves the owner's time. Not only it saves the owner's time, but creating my job. When you hire me to sell your home, my job is to create more demand on your home. How can it to create a sense of urgency and excitement? So the only way to create a sense of urgency and excitement is that we need to make sure that it's in such a short period of time, we create more demand. How do we create more demand on your home? Well, how are we able to bring in 35,000 buyers? How we have over 35,000 buyers in our database? Every month, we are on radio, billboard, direct mail, online presence. That's how we are able to generate. So like today, for example, in less than 45 minutes, multiple offers. This home is sold in less than 45 minutes. Take a look around so you have an idea about our tour of homes. If you are thinking of selling in today's real estate market, call me now. I already have the buyers looking to buy home for your home. 626-789-0159. Again, if you're thinking of selling your home right now, call 626-789-0159 and start packing.